Hey, Braden, thanks a lot for your input on reverting back to 2022. There it is. Of all the crazy things, the reason why I couldn't log into the Trimble site was because I run a VPN, and I went through everything. Like, did I have antivirus? What was, excuse me, what could possibly be the problem? And then out of the blue, I thought, oh, wait a sec. I wonder if Trimble has their IT set up to where certain IP addresses are just blocked. And VPNs are very well known for sharing, one IP address somewhere in Seattle or wherever that's what I use. And if it's a common IP address, a lot of security will say, nope, we don't know who you are, so you can't come in. As soon as I turned off the VPN, boom, everything worked normal. I just happened to take a moment. Here I am trying to learn how to do this thing because I use Chief Architect a lot. And I've framed houses for a little over 20 years. And all of a sudden, I'm having fun in the 3D warehouse. There's just crazy stuff. This is a search for wood texture because I wasn't really sure. Some of the texture library, like here, for example. Let me get this on the screen. That's all there is for wood. And then when I right click and I want to do a new texture, it says, hey, where do you want to get that from? Well, first I got to figure out what format to download that in, because I saved, let's go there. Excuse me. Lumberyard texture. Check that out. I can't grab it. But when I originally downloaded it, it gave me an option to import it into the model. So what I've done is I've started a master lumber repository. Don't know if that's good work product or not. Whoa, stop. I don't know if that's a good process, but eventually I'm gonna sort some of this stuff. But one thing I noticed is I wonder if anybody's actually put the right lengths on things, because mostly the lumber in my area, 8-foot stud is 92 5/8, 9-foot stud is 104 5/8, 10-foot stud is 116 5/8. The easy way to remember that is 7-foot 8 5/8, 8-foot 8 5/8, 9-foot 8 5/8. So that's kind of how it goes, so that your finished wall height with one bottom plate and two top plates, or actually technically a top plate and a double plate, is 8-foot 1 1/8, 9-foot 1 1/8, and 10-foot 1 1/8. Just in case people didn't know. I'm using one of these CAD mouse that has 3 buttons plus a scroll wheel. I just learned that the actual middle click button goes to orbit, which is so convenient. Now, this should say St. John's something. If you're a true Doctor Who fan, you would know that. It's like St. John's Ambulance or something. Not really sure. Okay, so anyways, everything's working. I really like the Medic BIM plugins. Amazing. But the guy from SketchUp School, Alex, made a very good comment. He said he would suggest people avoid plugins until they master the basics of the software as it comes out the box. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to take a step back, because you've heard the phrase, sometimes you take a step back so you can go forward faster. Or another phrase, crawl, walk, run. That's another one. I want to know how I would copy this and make this a texture somewhere else. Texture. That doesn't help me. I should probably study this more than just blindly picking and chunking. All right, so that's it. This video is complete. Everything's good. And I appreciate the input Braden made about going back to 2022. I had no idea. He jumped in there and just said, just revert back. Trust me. So thank you.